Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp video call back camera not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search WhatsApp application. Tap on WhatsApp application. Click on storage. Again tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Again tap on apps permission. You can complete all WhatsApp application apps permission. Allowed all apps permission. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your WhatsApp application latest version. You make sure your WhatsApp application is updated. Step 3. Restart your device and reopen it. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp video call back camera not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.